Wipro Ventures is the corporate investment arm of Wipro. We invest in early to mid-stage enterprise software startups that are aligned to the Wipro strategic priorities. It is also about increasing our revenue and solution footprint. And of course, as investors, we want to generate financial returns from our investments.
My consideration for taking money from Wipro Ventures was two things. One, the strategic alignment between what Wipro is trying to achieve and what vFunction does. And second, the good things I've heard about Wipro's Ventures support of their portfolio companies.
Bringing the right investor means they need to add value to your company from an operational point of view, from an experience point of view, from opening doors and allowing you to sell and expand. So which company that can give you the fastest acceleration to your business?
See, what was important for us was finding the investor who can add the right kind of value. It was that the value that they brought in that attracted us to work with Wipro Ventures.
Wipro Ventures really goes that extra mile to make sure that the company, the Wipro entire company, is helping the startup.
So my advice to new entrepreneurs starting their journey, define how would you go to market? What is your typical customer? And how would you find them? How would you service them? How would you sell to them? All these questions will help you define what are your right GTM partners so that you can go ahead and then design your go-to-market motion based on that.
What we found out with Wipro is before the investment and after the investment, Wipro is with us almost every week. We have discussion about new deals. We have discussion about existing deals, expansion. I'm not exaggerating if I say the most benefit when it comes to accessing to customers was the Wipro Venture.
As an enterprise software company, one of the things I believe is you need very strong partners in your go-to-market journey. Channel partners, SI partners, being able to use SI and channel partners and scale your GTM is a critical part of it. When we started to work with Wipro Ventures, we suddenly got a global presence. We were engaging with customers in Europe. We were engaging with the largest of the largest enterprises in US, and we didn't have our sales teams in these accounts. We had Wipro sales teams engaged, pulling us in, and I'll be honest, it was very, very tiring. It was very busy, but it was all exciting because that resulted in amazing business growth.
Our mission was to balance strategic needs with financial returns. And we believe both are necessary for long-term success, as there's nothing strategic about losing money.
I realized the incentive structure at Wipro Ventures is also a bit different based on helping portfolio companies on the go-to-market strategy as well. So literally a few weeks after the closing, we had an option to talk to a Fortune 50 consumer goods company.
Wipro sales team was able to identify the customer problem, present our product as a compelling solution in the face of competition, and then subsequently deploy it and make the customer very, very successful. It was really a win all around. The CloudGenix Wipro partnership was one of the absolute highlights of CloudGenix. The Wipro sales teams truly embraced our technology. They were able to engage with multiple Fortune 500 customers. In fact, they were able to close some of our largest deals.
I think the goals as any entrepreneur, we want to see more revenue, more deals together.
I think the next step will be getting into more clients together, partnering with Wipro as a company, building the next phase of our product roadmap, and growing a large company, hopefully a very large company together.
As Wipro Ventures embarks on its next decade, we remain committed to backing visionary founders and driving transformative solutions that redefine the future of enterprise software. Our recently announced $200 million Fund 3 is a testament to this commitment. We will continue to pursue our ambition to become the premier corporate VC partner for enterprise software startups